Hi guys, review time again, and this time we're doing Airfix quick build on the Volkswagen Beetle, and I will be doing a build on this during this video. It was 13 quid, or about a penny, 12.99 English pounds, and so just looking around, the artwork is really nice. Obviously, as it's a quick build, they say it's for 5 and up, but I've always said that it just feels a little bit complicated, but there may be some children out there who love their Lego, who love a bit of technique, and who are absolutely solid when it comes to putting stuff together. Normally you find them hanging up. There's no glue needed, no paint, you just build it. And it's even got, if I bring closer, the authenticated, officially licensed by Volkswagen sticker. There you go, there's your Airfix Club, there's your 1 flying hours. I don't know what's happening with that. If anybody knows what's happening with the Airfix Club, put it in the comments. What can we say? Gives you details on what the Volkswagen Beetle stats are. So you've got, it's a 4-seater, it's 4.7 meters long, 1.5 meters high, 1.54 meters wide. It weighs 725 kilograms, that's 0.7 tons. The maximum speed limit was 115 kilometers an hour, which is roughly 60 miles an hour. Tells you it does 7.5 litres to 100 kilometres. And I don't quite get this. 100 kilometres per hour, 2.9 seconds. I find that really hard to believe. I've driven one of these. It's 1.2 flat 4. So flat, 4 in a row. But yeah, that there. I think it does 0 to 100 kilometres if you have it on a crane and you just drop it. And it'll get to that speed. Designed and built in the UK. I'm just trying to find what the number is. Just trying to find. So J6015. It looks like. Here's the model number. Price there. I think I see one, but I will. Let's get it open and have a look and see what's inside. Easy to open. And if we have a look, pull out. There's the instructions, and there's your glass, and an empty box. So, yeah, all good. PLA 07, I think that's the number there. J6015 38078. Okay, if I bring that close, you can see that number. Good. That's the model number for this kit. Normally they have it on the side, don't they? I tell a lie. That's the number there, it looks like. Let's just get closer to the camera so it doesn't move. Whoops, if we can get closer. It's J6015 quick build Volkswagen Beetle. So there you are, back in focus. So you get your box of your bag of bits and instructions to put them to one side. Looks like there's stickers somewhere. So 32 parts to it. So you start off with the wheels, hubcaps, tires. So tires on hubcaps. They press on, put the bumper on, sort out the lights, which is on your clear section. They have these amazing lights, by the way. I think Lucas Glass is the ones. Front on, a few extra blocks, back end on, and then you've got your 16, so you put them together to make your front wing, and then you've got your door and your side wing. Then you push them down into that section there, and the same with the right hand side. 2 chairs go in, then the back chair, and there's your what's it called, not your headrest, is it? But you know what I mean. The place to put your gloves and your hat. Then you add all that together. Bonnet goes on the actual top, then that all bolts onto the chassis. There's your dashboard, which has some stickers, which I've not seen the stickers yet. I presume, there's the stickers there in the. Oh, hang on, we found the stickers. So there's the stickers. If I bring it close, you can see you've got the reg plate. They must be for your indicator lamps or your stop lamps on the back, speedo and steering wheel. So there's 4 lots of stickers there. Put it all together and you're pretty much done. So let's get the old roasting tray, which I put all my bits in. And then we need the scissors just to cut the corner. Brilliant. That's a good one. Open him up. Oh, there he is. Get rid of that. Pour that in there. One side. Yeah. So basically, there's your chassis. It is a very well made kit. Does look a little like, there is, because you don't see the inside, like, because you don't paint any of this and you don't even glue it. It just all puts together nicely, like proper bit of Lego. Your wheels come. You will have to trim the wheels up. Get a knife and trim the wheels. Cut a bit off the hub. Oh, it comes off anyway. So yeah, it looks like all bits there. I'm just going to find out how many bits are actually in this. If it says how many parts to it, it doesn't on the box. But once I've built it, I'll let you know how many pieces there are. Just have a quick look on the instructions. There you go. It's 33 pieces. So the challenge is to get this built and hopefully come back and we'll do a time lapse on building this kit. Brilliant. So quickly, you can just see inside the tyre there. There's a very, very slight rim, and so what you do is you see there's a rim on the outs. There's like a a recess on the actual rim, and there's it sticks out a bit inside. So I think you can see that if I just get it close, try and get the light on it. There's a rim inside, and you just push them in, and it is a bit of a fiddle to push that in as well. Just trying to line it up, but they can only go in one way. And once he's in together, push him in and just edge it around. I say it's a very, very tight fit. Again, it's basically going to hear it pop. Again, it pops together. There you go. There's the 4 wheels done. I just tried to fit this one here, and I couldn't get it to fit. Because actually it's this bit here. I just picked the wrong one up, and then if you push it in, it works a treat. So there you go, my first mistake on building this. And there it is, the Beetle, all put together nicely. It's a really lovely kit. You may have to just squeeze a bit tight on getting the joints together, but you've got to admit, this is a lovely looking car. And remember, there's no glue involved, there's no paint. It's just put together with blocks. It's fantastic. Highly recommended. If you've got nephews, nieces, sons, daughters, grandkids who have seen you do your modelling and stuff with your Airfix or your Revel, this here is a great way to start them off. Couple of things. I got the bumpers wrong, obviously. As you can see by the stickers, they're massive, the red dots, but actually you only use a very small bit of it to actually cover, and a bit fiddly to get on with you. Yeah, I've got fat fingers anyway. But yeah, and they, basically all done together like so. Lovely finish to it. There's a few little marks there, but if you're paying 12 quid, 13 quid for a model that, and the wheels move as well. Absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed building it. It took me 10 minutes. Highly recommended for those who just want to, if you've got youngsters who aren't quite ready to use the old glue and paints. this is a great kit. So recommendation for this, if you want a gift for Christmas to give to somebody, it says 5+, but I recommend it to be more of a 7-year-old onwards. There are more complex ones than these. You know, if you remember when I did the Spitfire, you know, some bits were very, very tricky to work out. So, but for, you know, for somebody who's 5, 6, 7 years old, cracking bit of kit. If you like the review, please put a comment down below. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. Remember to click that dinger as well, so that when I do upload a video, you will get a notification. And if you could share this on Twitter, Facebook, I would really much appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.